Hello, Uptown Swing, level 4, and we learned first part of Queen Swing's Basie. And this is how it went. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 5, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what we did.